Hello friends, today I am going to talk about the mention of HSN code or a SAC code. HSN codes for goods and SAC codes for services, which is undergoing some change from 1st April 2021. Now what is the change? Originally the HSN code or SAC code was applicable if it was 1.5 crores turnover till 1.5 crores turnover. HSN code was not compulsory. Between 1.5 crores turnover up to 5 crores turnover, you had to mention 2-digit HSN code in your tax invoice, and above 5 crores turnover you had to mention 4-digit HSN code or SAC code. Now from 1/4/2021, wide notification number 78/2020, which has amended the original notification number 12/2017. Now what change it has brought? It has made the SSCs having the turnover less than 5 crores. So that is, all the SSCs having their turnover less than 5 crores in the previous financial year, that is for the financial year 2021. If your turnover is less than 5 crores, you have to mention 4 digits HSN code or SAC code. If your turnover is more than 5 crores, then you have to mention 6-digit HSN code and SAC code in your tax invoice. This HSN code or SAC code has to be mentioned only in B2B invoices. B2C invoices, it is optional, so it is not compulsory. So only tax invoices, B2B tax invoices, HSN code or SAC code is compulsory. Bear in mind, ensure you are mentioning the correct HSN code or an SAC code, because a wrong mention of HSN code will sometimes make your tax rate different. So suppose your tax rate is 12% and you mention an HSN code or an SAC code which is having 18%, then tomorrow department will ask for the differential tax portion also, just because you have mentioned the wrong HSN code. And the HSN codes what you are mentioning in tax invoices has to be properly reflected in your GSTR1 returns as well. So bear in mind, ensure you are mentioning your correct HSN code, SAC code in tax invoices. If you don't mention, then there is a penalty under section 125 for 25,000 rupees may be levied. So please, we are in COVID times. So I request everybody to be safe, be at home if possible, and take care of your family and be safe. Thank you.